closet than my toys. Kissing Santa Claus. It's a three-way tonight. I tell you it was rough seeing Mama's finger comes. Maybe this year since Dad is queer I'll get some better stuff. Not that there's anything wrong with that. There's anything wrong with that. I saw Daddy kissing Santa Claus. I saw Daddy kissing Santa Claus. I saw Daddy kissing Santa Okay, I need people to get on the Baconator now. 4 people. Alright, let's go.
I can't. Fuck, get on.
Get the top of the chair.
Wait.
Alright, two more people.
Wait. Alright, there you go. Oh, it's called Detonator. No. Hey, got a big booty. By the way, this was my idea, so get ready. Ho-ho! Wow, fail. Fail. Hold on. Thrusters on. Yeah. This is crazy. Go, go. Oh, we're gonna fail right now. There you go. We just failed. Oh, cool.
Back in,
that was pretty shit. Pretty shit.
Alright, who here has killing before?
Me.
Oh really, Mishka?
Yeah. Why?
Cause I feel like playing it.
Alright, let's go. I'll play it. Kinda lame
Once
though,
my-
it just says a lot of bugs. I don't know, I don't like it. It's a waste of money,
$10.
For free sale.
Yeah, I
Get
know.
for free.
So? Oh god, it's oranges McShizzle.
Yeah, you can get it for free. Just crack it. That's all I did. Now I'll play it on online. You can't do that for